Welcome to this video. I will be talking about what it takes to compete and train to compete and train to win stages of the long-term athlete development. The four areas I'll be talking about are goal setting, time management, sport-specific training, and the 4 R's of recovery. A goal is an idea of the future or designed result that a person or group of people envision, plan, and commit to achieve. Creating goals will give you focus, it will help measure progress, help to stay motivated, and will help you determine what you want in life. Process goals are milestones that you can completely control. A process goal is an outcome that is based on specific actions and tasks that you complete. Setting a process goal means you have to identify what you actually have to do to achieve a long-term goal. Performance goals are short-term objectives that you expect to achieve within a short period of time. The short-term objectives will hopefully help you reach your outcome goal, which is the long-term goal that you set out at achieving at the beginning. Managing your time wisely will help you achieve your goals and reduce stress. Placing yourself in a conducive environment is important if you want to achieve something. This can be done by sitting in a quiet room while you work, or surrounding yourself with like-minded people who will encourage and help you reach your goals. Establishing priorities is necessary in order to complete what needs to be done. Prioritization is important because it will allow you to give your attention to tasks that are important and urgent, so that you can later focus on lower priority tasks. It's important to form good habits as they form who you are and what you stand for as a person. Quite simply, if you have to have more good habits than bad, you will lead a more happy and healthy life. At this stage, you are fully committed and dedicated to one or two sports, which means everything you do is geared to performing your best. The best way to do this is to play your sport as often as possible and train in the correct way. If you are a footballer, you should not be trying to beat your personal best squat if that won't help you become a better footballer. The 4 R's of recovery are reinforce, replace, repair, and rest. Restore, replace, repair, and rest are centered around your nutrition. Restore means to restore your hydration levels that were lost during exercise. Getting in the habit of drinking adequate fluids to ensure you will be hydrated before your next practice. Replace refers to replacing the carbohydrates burned through exercise. Carbs are your body's main fuel source when exercising. Repair refers to rebuilding torn muscle tissue that occur from exercising by consuming appropriate amounts of carbs and protein. Rest stands for just that, rest. Sleep is critical as it gives the body a chance to recover and rebuild the body from exercise. The main aim is to get 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and subscribe so you will be notified for the next video where I'll be recapping the long-term athlete development.